Lord Kodiac Lock Sport.
Hey everybody, it's Lord Kodiac. I'm going to do the Shackleton P3 challenge with a set of Peerless 700Cs. It's called Dangit Bobby. Use a bobby pin and use the bobby pin to escape from a pair of handcuffs. So I'm going to pull out the heavy duty bobby. Okay, so pulls out. And dang it, Bobby, let's see if I can get myself out. Not too good of a start, I'll show you. I might not got that barb completely off. My used bobby. Barb is off this bobby. And that is the Dang It Bobby challenge.